Hey, kumusta mga Gunpla builders and collectors? Ito si Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio at I have here a model kit which came from the 90s and ayan nga, mahilig ako mangolekta before ng mga 1 and 1/4 to 4 scale no grade kits, and isa dito yung Dragon Gundam. Ayan yun, no? From the Gundam G or G Gundam anime series. Tara, reviewin natin to. So meron tayo ditong Dragon Gundam from the 90s. Mga 90s kits ito from G Gundam at ito nga, lumang-luma na ito. I built this kit when I was around 10 to 11 years old, I think. I'm still a grade schooler here in the Philippines, and my grandmother used to buy me model kits, the no grade Gundams, as a reward every time I got high grades in school. So ito nga, meron ako ditong Dragon Gundam. Everything in this era, in this year, was simple. Yun lang masasabi ko. Simple build, simple designs. Madali lang tong i-build. 30 minutes natapos ko na to nung maliit pa ako kasi snap build lang naman. Actually may mga knob marks pa nga yan. Hindi ko na inalis noon kasi bobo pa ako. Of course, bata, tanga-tanga pa mag-build. Kaya yan, marami pang ano dyan, mga knob marks. Kasi pinipilas-pilas ko lang yan. Wala pa akong gamit na cutters noon. Nail cutter nga lang ata gamit ko. Tsaka kamay, ginaganon-ganon ko. So, build neto, dito tayo sa head. Isa na yata to sa pinakamagandang high grade ng G Gundam series. Kasi ang dami niyang color separation parts compared sa iba na parang walang kakwenta-kwenta tingnan. So ito makikita natin, there's face guard here na yellow, and then yung tail niya dito is fix lang siya, ganyan lang yung galaw niya. Can swivel up and down. Tapos the shoulders, maganda yung pagkakaano nito, separated or separation kasi ayan meron siyang dito, meron siyang peg dyan which can swivel like that. Ayan naka-clamp lang siya dun sa loob. Tapos yan, the elbows can bend 90 degrees lang, ganyan, but it can rotate 360 degrees sa arms. Then the hands, yung traditional na rubberized or polycap hands, ball jointed. Tapos ito, ayan, lalagyan mo yan dito sa dragon, of course, ang bunganga ng dragon. Pero kapag mag-action pose siya, you can remove the hands para yung bunganga ng dragon ay open. Yan. So for action poses, you can remove the hands to free the dragon's mouth. Okay. Medyo matigas na. Okay. So ganito siya. Roar! Roar, 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 roar. So yan, dragon na siya. Then by the way, shoulders can rotate 360 degrees. Then dito sa waist niya, there's no movement here. It cannot rotate kasi block siya, block, meaning isang solid compact plastic yung waist niya tsaka yung body. But meron siyang side skirts. Yun yung mga side skirts niya. Place into ball joints. Ayan o, ball joints siya. So yun, pag na-free naman itong side skirts, legs can rotate or can move, can kick up to here, and pero cannot fold backwards because of this flappy or butt skirt here. Hindi yan, yung flap skirt niya dito hindi na move. Then yun, medyo loose na yung mga parts kasi tagal na nito. I bought this, or my grandma bought this year 2000 I think, or 1999, I forgot, but ano ako nun grade 4 student ako. So yan, it cannot do the splits because ayun nga, ball joints yan. Polycaps niya medyo loose na. See the polycaps there. Mas-zoom siya. Yep, the polycaps medyo maluwag na. Kumbaga sa nanganak ng madami talagang bumekrat na. The feet can swivel only like this up to here, side to side, front, back. Tapos ayun nga, may separated separated foot guard or ang tawag dito, dorsal foot guard. Pero matigas na siguro na maitiban ko to, hindi ko na maalala. Then if we put this side skirt, may hinder na yung movement ng kanyang legs. Papangin na. Tingnan nyo, may mga knob marks pa. Pantangang build talaga ako nung araw And then itong side skirt na to maganda. May siya, club of ace. Tapos kasi Shuffle Alliance nga itong Dragon Gundam Then ayun, medyo hindered na yung kanyang leg part. Tapos pag i-extend mo pa yan, matatanggal na yung kanyang side skirts. Okay. Hanggang ganyan lang siya. Cute lang yung pose niya pag ganyan. Ang cutie pose. Diba? Yeah! O diba? Problem na ito yung kanyang core lander, loose kasi. So dahil brutal ako talaga sa mga kit ko, nilagyan ko ng mighty band para hindi na maalis. Ayan, di ba? So hindi na siya kahit i-wiggle kung hindi na maalis yan. Talagang cemented Kumbaga dikit na dikit wala na yung core lander, hindi na matatanggal yan. So that's it. This is how simple kits are during the 90s, yung mga no grades noon. And thank you for watching this simple review of the Dragon Gundam 1 and 1/44 scale, no grade from Bandai.